Traditional UAV design and analysis was a long and complex process. Introducing EveryDrone, the new AI-powered drone design and analysis solution. Simply describe the UAV you want to build. Our AI engine then instantly generates an optimal initial design based on data from hundreds of simulations and mathematical models. EveryDrone explores hundreds of alternatives in minutes, presenting you with the best options. All you have to do is choose. Once selected, you can test design changes in real time using our Vortex method-based mid-fidelity engine. Then our verification engine automatically runs high-fidelity simulations. Additionally, all of these data automatically compiled into a report. EveryDrone is transforming complex engineering into a clear, goal-oriented workflow. From goal to validated drone reality, EveryDrone